Hey, afternoon everybody. I took the morning off to take care of some personal stuff, and now I'm back. So while I was away, I did receive the charge controller piece that I was looking for. It's right here. This is the monitor. So now I can look on my phone. Everything is working as it should. Green light, green light. The red light flashing just means that the solar is taking in energy. There are no errors or anything on here, which is cool. I do need to change the temperature from Celsius to Fahrenheit. But now I'm putting my bed together. So there's all the wires. It's just because those are all like my USB stuff, and I can't like install any of it until after I put this bench together. So that's what I'm working on now, and you guys can come along. Oh, can't see. There you go. Hey. Ignore my hair. I'm just a mess, guys. Like a total freaking mess. But I'm gonna be putting this piece together right here because I don't want to take the whole frame out of the bed, out of the van. I'm gonna build the frame. Yesterday I actually used a hacksaw to cut up the opening for the walkway. So I'm just going to mount this piece to there. Just drill some pre-drill holes in there. I was gonna use my what's it called? I forget what it's called. I don't even know where it's at to show you. Oh, it's down there. The piece where you can kind of, where they make cabinets and stuff out of. I bought one. I haven't used it. I probably use it on my shelf, but for my frame, I'm just gonna screw everything in. It's just easier. I'll just do some pre-drilling on each side and just put it on through there. So this one is already done, and then from there I'm gonna have one here. So this one will be here, and I might put it in, I don't know, I'm still trying to figure out if I want to put it on this wall or that wall. I'm kind of thinking this way. I'm thinking this way, so that when the bed frame lays, it just lays right on top of there and not on the edge of it. So I might do that one that way, and also on the opposite end as well. And then these pieces here are gonna go flat against there. And then the thing that I'm working on is on this side over here. Over here on this side, this is the end of the wall, the bed frame. So I have to cut a piece of wood that's gonna go from here all the way to the outside. I might have one actually. There's another piece of wood that's actually going to be going from right here to the edge of here, where I'll be plugging in my charge controller, and then the bed's going to come around across the side there. So those are the two things that I will be doing today. Is I will be melting this piece of wood and this piece of wood together, creating a box, and then from there I will be taking this frame, those two in the middle, the two that are laying out, those will be going in the middle because I came up with this idea. So what I'm going to do is, I bought these boards. They've already been primed. I'm going to paint them, and this is going to be the siding for the side of my bed. So the framework around it, and I'm going to paint it the same color as my shelf. So hopefully that works out. But let me do a little bit of work, and I'll get back to you guys in a second. Okay, so I just put these on. This is for the brace for the bed. And then what's going to happen is, let's see, hold on. I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to do with this. So this will go in. I need to mount my other mount this piece of wood to the frame that's on the inside. This on the inside. And then from there I will be putting this on, but I have to paint this first. At least maybe I can sleep on my bed tonight, but I need to see if I can tighten this one thing. Give me 1 second. Hopefully you guys don't fall. Sorry I dropped you guys. Okay, let me see how this looks in there. Okay, so I'll put you guys up there. Hope you guys don't fall. So this goes, oops, looks like this goes in there like this. Piece goes right there. Just put that in. And then at the top, I might, on the top part, I might actually see this. It's like a little 2x3. Oops, so it's like a little 2x3. Thinking I might just do that. Along the inside, I have a bunch of 2x3. Just kind of rub it down to the inside there, just for extra sturdiness. And then back here, not back here, but right here, move this stuff. I'm just move that over to there. Here is where my walkway will end, and then I'm going to attach this to that, and then this side like that. I gotta redo that measurement, but yeah, that will go over there, and then my box is gonna come. I have my box that is going to be coming all the way down this row. So it'll cover all the way down. So I still need to take this piece out here, and I need to attach the legs for this piece the same as I did over here, and that's what's next. All right, get to it. Hey guys, so this is day 5, I think, and got the electrical in, so that's all good. And I put out like how I want the frame, so I cut pieces of the wood, got part of the frame together, and now I'm just working to continue the frame. So here, this is where my electrical will lie. I'm just gonna have a little piece of something, probably a little panel or something, so I can pull this out and be able to see into my electric. This piece actually is going to lift, so I have access to my electrical area. Then I'll have a little place. This will be where my electrical cord is going to run. This one here, this is what's plugged into my inverter, so that way I can plug in my computer and things like that. And then this area here that I'm sitting in is going to be where my refrigerator cabinet is going to be. It's going to sit right here. So that's what I'm going to do. That's what I'm working on now. I'm working on the frame, like the whole frame of that. So this would be the frame to the bed. I just have to bolt some stuff in here, put a couple of L brackets for extra sturdiness, and then I'm gonna build the frame for the refrigerator right here. My original oven, I use these screws. I had it screwed in, mounted, so I'm gonna make sure that my base for my refrigerator has the same 2 holes, so I can just reuse those and not have to put new ones in. And then from there, things I gotta do, oops, sorry about the shadows. I gotta take out that door, take that door off, because I'm gonna make that into a French door. But I can do that last. From this piece here, once I get this piece in, then I can go to the back and start this bench. This is going to be a L bench, so it's going to come down from where that backboard is at, and this will all be storage, and then it's going to L across to meet my bed here. I'll be able to lift my bed from each side, so I'll be able to lift it up from each side here, and get to my storage. But I'll also, for this, I'll have access to my storage back here. So I have access back here. This part right here will be open. The bench is going to come here. That'll be a flip top, and this will be a separate flip top. So 2 different pieces are going to go right here. So I'll have my piano hinge hidden in there so I don't see it, and then it can lift. And then I'll also have one down there as well. And then where that gray box is at, that's going to be my shelf. So I'll be taking out that green shelf that I have right there, and I'll be making a unique shelf that I saw on YouTube. I'm going to try to recreate it. And then on this side, that shelf is going to come off of there. This whole wall is going to come off. I'm going to, because I need to pull some electrical out, and then we'll work on the roof. So today, it's going to be this here, this box, this box, this bed frame, and refrigerator cabinet. This will be afterwards. So, oops, can't see me. Wish me luck, because I'll need it. For real though. This is for my fridge. So it's going to be the box that it's going to be in. And you can slide in and out. It won't be able to slide super far, but it's also going to have a top when it come up. So I'll be able to lift it. These are just here as to space, because this pole is actually going to come down and hook into its old spot in the van for more support. So now I just need to cut this board, the length and the width, so that way I can put it in to see where the next cuts need to be made. This is a piece I cut from the old board that I had in. You can see. I just wanted to see if it would work. So this will be my panel right here. And then the refrigerator will come right here. And I think it will be fine. So refrigerator is going to come out right there. I'll open up a little bit of space walking in that area. And then this panel will be easily accessible because I would just tack nails and then drill here. There's a piece of wood that comes out here, and then I would drill into that. This will be even with the wood, and then the box will come around like this. The box can come around like this. These would be the legs holding it in. They'll be coming down here and mounted to the van, and here and right here. And yeah, I think that works. So I need to get my paneling out so I can cut a proper piece of wood, and then I can work on this box. this box. So let me show you guys. Give me 1 second. So this right here would be back up. This would be the box here. This is my slide, my fridge. This piece has already been cut. It'll be on there. Gives it enough room. This sits all the way back. Mounts in like that. Fridge will sit right on there. And then I had to leave space around the edges because of the board that's going to be going in here. And then yeah, I think that'd be nice. Fridge will sit right on top of there. It can pull out this way, but of course I'm gonna have something that's going to come out there. I think that's going to be sweet. So let me get to cutting some wood. Okay, get back. Sturdy! Alright, let's work on this panel. So what I want to do is I'm going to get some wood out the garage. But I'm going to take this. It's going to go across here. I think. Like that. And I'm not gonna do extreme screws. I'm just gonna have it there. I have to cut this corner off. That corner, I have to round that corner out. But I wanted to go there. Close this panel out, but also I don't know, because I'm thinking also, I don't know, let's see if we do this This is for the refrigerator. Oops, sorry. This is for the refrigerator. Refrigerator needs to go right. Refrigerator's gonna go like this. So I'm gonna take a piece of wood, put it in. Around that corner. Oops. Refrigerator's gonna go here. I want to cover my panel. I want to cover this. I want to be able to get to that. So I don't know if I should put this piece of board, just cut it like this and attach it to this wall. Maybe. You know what I'm saying? Then that way I can just pull it out if I need to, so I can get to my solar. If that makes sense. Does that make sense? Makes sense in my head, but I'm not sure. Alright, moment of truth. So this is the casing for my fridge. I noticed that this is off. And it's gonna stay off because this is just a halt to actually, it's gonna have like a topper that sits in there so I can lift it up. So that's fine. I'm gonna put the walls up. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video of the build so far. Unfortunately, my GoPro ran out of storage and I was unable to capture the entire process of building this fridge cabinet. I really hope that I get to see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, share with a friend, and if you have any questions ever, leave them in the comments. Until next time, you know the deal. Love and light.